What they say, PJ? Y'all know what the truck going on, man. I'm gonna install all this shit in this motherfucker like. I took out, we take the leads out. These coming out. These on there. Y'all know what the fuck going on. I do not own copyrights to the music that's playing in the background. You know what the fuck going on. Get a tone with me if you need your shit wired up. Or you need some shit replaced in your car. Hey PJ, talk to the blog. Tell them what's happening. What we doing, man? How's that? What car we at? What car? You got that wrong? Alright, so I got one out. I'm about to go on here and smack this one in. Give me that torch, son.
Getting to work over here.
Yo.
Putting new speakers in the door panels of my 2008 Cadillac Escalade truck. Let's get it, man. We finna have this bitch rocking. I'm telling you, this bitch gonna be loud.
Say that then. Hey, hey. Say what they say.
We got some shit coming, bro.
Hey, say.
This shit gonna be loud, bro.
What they say, that's Uncle Pat. That's Uncle Patchy kids.
He's working, for sure. Yeah.
Can I make it out this dream, this nightmare dream? Right now talking about some, oh shit, y'all niggas about to blow some shit up. Let me get one grab to it. Y'all man. Can I make it out this nightmare dream, this dream? Can I make it out this dream, this nightmare dream, this dream? Can I make it out this dream? I want you to turn it on. I want to hear the speaker.
I told you that motherfucker heavy.
I ain't gonna do it like this next time. See how fucking hard these tunnels is? That bitch gonna be hard. I ain't gonna even do it. Fuck the tunnels.
Fuck the terminal.
Fuck the tunnels. Oh, you see, I got a struggle to get that shit on now? Fuck that. Ain't about to struggle. I got black tape.
Hell yeah.
Some tape on that shit.
That's the nigga way.
Man, I ain't gonna nigga rig the truck.
All the niggas know that about the black electrical tape and wiring that bitch straight up.
Man. I mean, it's gonna hit heavier than that anyway. Nah. All the niggas don't know because see, niggas they just do it the niggerish way. I ain't gonna do it the niggerish way. I'ma still make it look nice. I want all that white. So when it start hitting that speaker, your wires gonna come out. That's Now my truck is wired up. That big blue is wired up.
Big blue?
I've always wired it straight to the speaker. Always. Now this the nigga way, I'm finna show you. This ain't gonna never come off unless you cut it off. I'm gonna be like, cuz that bitch wild. From the crack of my garage again.
I ain't gonna crack it up. Getting it together, gang?
Hold on, man, cause you start standing over me and this shit start slipping. I ain't got time to be nervous and busting speakers. Yes, sir, we get busy.
Alright, we about to test the speaker, see if everything wired up correctly, and test the speakers out. Now this is connected to a highs amp. It is connected to a highs amp.
Play some music.
So don't come around here tripping, they go for show. Make sure I continue my jet living. You receive a text from like one of your mans was missing. Back to the paper, I'm more comfortable. I just rolled up a few, I got a selection of some bad bitches falling through. Riding in my car long, conversation with my big homies who dead and gone. Tell me how I'm right or wrong. Keep it all the way 100, just carry on. Everything in my train from. That's why they say you don't have. Yes, man, and shit like that.
Got the tweeters installed, bullet tweeters, DS18.
We'll tell live.
Yeah, we got the other 6.5.
We gonna tell live what happened. I did not do it, so we're gonna let it know it look good. But we're gonna do some more work to make this look a little bit better and professional than that. We will say that on live. We're gonna make it look a lot professional than that. I let my cousin do the cut work, and cuz was over here cutting shit, yo. I took my eyes off it for like 3 seconds, yo. Okay. But they in there, they look good though, so I ain't gonna knock it, you know what I'm saying?
They in that flush.
I ain't going nowhere, they flush down in there. I put a screw right there. But you know, hey, we doing this shit ourselves though.
Hell yeah. We ain't going to no shops. We ain't fucking with no music shops. We doing this shit ourselves. We putting in the work ourselves. You know what I'm saying? You know,
Teaching him how to put this work in.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm out here in the cold.
We've been doing this shit for a minute now. We've been doing this
It's
shit.
30 degrees out here, but we outside, Joe.
30 degrees out here.
Install some shit up in here.
They call me Black Lacquer. I'm smoother than your tabletop. Come and let me prove it, let me do it once the legs come. I'm bound to act bad on that ass. I'm bound to bust if we do it a tad bit too fast. Don't get mad if I feel like I wanna run cheek to cheek. We get free, baby. Do this here once or twice every week. I can go overtime, cause women are so fine. This fool claim he took a broad of mine, but I got women from here to that lower 9. New Orleans to be exact. Women fly to H-Town, get dick down and fly they damn selves back. Gang 1-2, straight